The Atlanta Attachment Company's Model 1344 T29A walking foot needle feed mattress bucket building workstation comes with factory settings that work fine for many materials. However, if you run materials that stretch, you will need to customize the settings for your specific needs. The reason we are providing these instructions is if the machine is not set correctly, the bucket size may be too big or too small, which affects the overall appearance of the mattress. The following instructions will show you the correct factory settings and how to adjust your sewing head to accomplish this customization. Prepare sample panel material approximately 24 inches long, border and flange material at least 36 inches. Align the edge of the panel with the border material and mark the border the width of the panel to use as a guide. Align ends of border, flange, and panel and sew a test of the material. If the panel does not align to the mark on the border after sewing, adjustments have to be made to the sewing head. Pull thread to remove binder tape and use the same material after making adjustments. Check the binder tension adjustment and correct if needed. Adjust the binder tension for light pressure on the binder tape, just enough for the tape to move smoothly through the binder block. Check factory settings for timing. Adjust the top and bottom eccentric to the DLT position. Adjust the foot pressure by raising the pressure cylinder until it is 0.05 mm clearance between the top of the cylinder and the tension opener. Factory settings for synchronization of the feeding foot, needle penetration, and feed dog. When the descending needle point reaches the surface of the throat plate, the feeding foot and feed dog should reach at the same time. If not, the eccentric will need to be advanced or retarded. Make sure the teeth of the feed dog are 3/4 exposed over the throat plate. Sew another test to see if the panel and border line up. If not, further adjustments may be needed on the eccentric. If synchronization needs to be altered for different fabrics, loosen the 2 screws on the eccentric. You may need to advance or retard based on the material being sewn. If adjusting the walking height of the presser foot is needed, rotate the cam till the slot on the cam is between the 2 set screws. Check the height of the presser foot by using a 7/64 inch Allen wrench. Rotate the hand wheel until the needle bar is at the highest position. The distance between the throat plate and the presser foot should be 7/64 inch. If adjustment is needed, loosen the 2 screws on the eccentric connection crank and press the presser foot until it repositions to the 7/64 inch position. Then retighten the 2 screws. Make sure you still have the 7/64 inch distance between the throat plate and the presser foot. Sew another test to see if the panel and border line up. Fine-tune the bucket size of the mattress by adjusting the top eccentric. Rotate the hand wheel up or down from 1 to 2 letters. Rotate the hand wheel up to make larger and down to make smaller. Run another test sample. If you have any further questions, please contact our service department for details.